Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see top 30 MCQ questions from Unit 1 of your CHE 110 Environmental Chemistry. So, let's see the first question. Your first question is, what does the environment mainly consist of? The options are only living organism, only non-living things, biotic and abiotic component, and energy source. So your correct option is option C, biotic and abiotic components. You can see the explanation in the blue box why this option is correct. So we are moving to the next question. Your next question is, which sphere of Earth includes all water bodies? Options are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. So your correct option is hydrosphere. So we are moving to the next question. The layer of air surrounding Earth is called. Options are hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. So your correct option is option C, atmosphere. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 4. The sphere that support life is known as. Options are lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere. So your correct option is option C, biosphere. So we are moving to the next question. Which of these best describes sustainability? Options are unlimited use of resource, preserving resource for future generation. Option C, ignoring natural limits, or fast industrialization. So your correct option is option B, preserving resource for future generation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, sustainable development was defined in which report? Options are Rio Declaration, Brundtland Report, Kyoto Protocol, or Paris Agreement. So your correct option is option B, Brundtland Report. So we are moving to the next question. The three pillars of sustainability are forest, air, water, social, economic, environmental, soil, water, population, or agriculture, economics, science. So your correct option is option B, social, economic, environmental. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which is not a component of the environment? Options are forest, industry, emotion, air. So your correct option is option C, emotion. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, carrying capacity refers to. So your correct so your options are economic capacity of country, maximum population on the earth can support, load a vehicle can carry, and other one is forest density. So your correct option is option B, maximum population the earth can support. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 10. Multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies means. So the options are, it involves only biology, it uses principles from multiple fields, it excludes economics, it focuses on chemistry only. So your correct option is option B, it uses principle from multiple fields. Before moving to the next question, I request you to share this video with your friends and your class group. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 11. Question 11 is, SDG stand for. Options are Sustainable Development Goal. Option B, Sustainable Disaster Guidelines. Option C, Social Development Grants. Option D, System Design Goals. So the correct option is option A, Sustainable Development Goals. So we are moving to the next question. How many Sustainable Development Goals are there? So from the options, your correct answer is option C, 17. So we are moving to the next question. The term sustainability focuses on profit only, industrial growth, long-term ecological balance, resource depletion. So your correct option is option C, long-term ecological balance. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which field is not directly related to environmental studies? So your options are physics, literature, geography, ecology. So your correct option is option B, literature. So we are moving to the next question. The scope of environmental studies include weather report, environmental policies and awareness, cooking, mechanical design. So the correct option is option B, environmental policies and awareness. So we are moving to the next question. Earth crust is part of, options are atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere. So your correct option is option B, lithosphere. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is environmental studies helps in, options are pollution, resource overuse, awareness and conservation, deforestation. So your correct option is option C, awareness and conservation. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which SDG focuses on climate action? Options are SDG 1, 7, 13 or 17. So your correct option is option C, 13. We are moving to the next question. Environmental degradation occurs due to, options are sustainable practice, overuse and pollution, C, plantation or D, solar energy. So your correct option is option B, overuse and pollution. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which is an example of non-renewable resource? Options are wind, solar, coal or biomass. So your correct option is option C, coal. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which goal aim to end poverty? SDG 1, SDG 4, SDG 10 or SDG 13. So your correct option is SDG 1. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which human activity impact the environment most? Options are reading, industrialization, music or meditation. So your correct option is option B, industrialization. So we are moving to the next question. Environmental studies promote, options are ignorance, sustainable awareness, overpopulation or illegal mining. So your correct option is option B, sustainable awareness. So we are moving to the next question. Which pillar of sustainability ensures social justice? Options are economic, social, environmental or legal. So your correct option is option B, social. So we are moving to the next question of question number 25. A goal of environmental education is to, options are increase pollution, option B promote deforestation, option C raise environmental awareness, option D ignore climate change. So your correct option is option C raise environmental awareness. So next question is question 26. The main aim of sustainability is, options are development for today only, balanced future for all, quick profit or economic domination. So your correct option is option B, balanced future for all. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which practice is sustainable? So options are overgrazing, reforestation, deforestation or open waste burning. So your correct option is option B, reforestation. We are moving to the next question. Question number 28. Environmental studies include cooking classes, water and air quality analysis, military training, or banking policies. So your correct option is option B, water and air quality analysis. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is which act help in protecting wildlife in India? Option A, RTI Act. Option B, Wildlife Protection Act. Option C, GST Act. Option D, Environment Tax Act. So your correct option is option B, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So we are moving to the last question. Last question is what is the core value of environmental ethics? So options are human-centered only, respected for nature and life, and exploitation or negligence. So your correct option is option B, respect for nature and life. So in this unit, that's it. And make sure to share this video with your friend and your class group. And if you find this video helpful for your exam preparation, then hit a like button and subscribe for more videos.